ages 4 and older, and they have really taken it up a notch for this track. We've already done the Road Rampage with Bone Crusher, the T-Rex Attack with Wild Thing, but Construction Destruction, it includes 2 vehicles, Spectre and Justice. And this is their biggest track yet. Unlike their previous tracks, this one has a motorized booster that requires 2 D batteries. Of course, those are not included. We have the loop, and here's where it really gets interesting. We're going to jump through the crane while trying to avoid hurdling boulders. That's right, it says hurdling boulders. We're going to take the bank, race down the straightaway, take another bank, and come to a finish. It does all of this on 10.5 feet of track. Now I'm going to get it set up so you can see it in action. Battery installation is very simple. They just go right here, no tools required, and you need those 2D batteries. I have my track all set up. Now let's try it out. Okay, so the Construction Destruction track does work, but it was really hit and miss, and it was pretty fragile. So we decided to gather all 3 of our Metal Machines tracks together and create one giant experimental track.